Hello everyone! In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to blur your address on Google Maps. So, let's dive right in. Head over to Google Maps on your desktop web browser at maps.google.com. Search for your home address in the search bar and hit Enter. Once your address appears on the map, locate the image of your house, if Street View is available. You might need to zoom in a bit to see the image clearly. In the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll see a small box labeled Report a Problem. Click on this button. A new window will pop up with a screenshot of your address. Here, you'll choose what you want to blur. In the image preview, you can choose the specific house or vehicle that you want to blur. In the Request Blur field, choose the specific option that you want to blur. You'll also see a text box where you can provide more details about your request. Here, you can specify if you want to blur the entire house or just a specific area, like your backyard. Once you've chosen what to blur and added any details, scroll down and enter your email address. You might also need to complete a short CAPTCHA verification to prove you're not a robot. Finally, click the Submit button to send your request to Google. Google will review your request and blur your address if it meets their guidelines. This process might take a few days or even weeks. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.